dog with running feet. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, it swims along. G for goat, it eats grass. H for house, where we stay. I for ice cream on a sunny day. J for joker, it makes us smile. K is for king, royal style. L is for lion, leaping high. M for monkey, climbing sky. N for nest, where the birds rest. O for orange, juicy and bright. P for pencil, we write and write. Q is for queen in a crown. R for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining light. T for tiger, bold and bright. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van, driving on the lane. W for watch, tick tick.